Alright, go back there, get your helmet on.
What? Not yet. Oh.
Ready?
No! Hell no, son! Son, look at that, what it done to me. Shit, no. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. You can do it if you want to. You can do it if you want to.
Oh my god.
That one went straight through a couch cushion. Killed me. Killed me. Ah, it fell.
Alright. Put this potato in. Let me see that potato.
White rain. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Ah!
Assume your position. Take it.
I do not hit my fingers, alright?
Are you ready?
Should I zoom in, Chris, more on you?
No. Ready?
Alright, go.
Oh yeah, my ass. No, you gotta film this. My ass and would not go through the
Holy
mushroom.
shit! Let's go, fuck!
3/4 inch plywood.
Chris, look at your fucking... Fuck! Oh shit!
Getting packed too. It's like,
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's just a couch cushion. Go to dead.